It's your girl Couture Shanz. Welcome back to another video. You got it right. It's the weekend and we are heading out on the road. The boys are on the back. Say hi. Number one, number two. There's no number three and there will never be any number three. So guys, as I mentioned, it is Saturday and we're heading out to the movies. We're going to go and watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So yeah, I've heard good reviews. So we're just gonna take the kitties. This is kitty. I never say kitty, I say kitties. Yeah, y'all are the kitties. Alright? So we're taking the kitties. And it's basically their last 2 weeks of summer. So just trying to make the most of it and take them out as much as possible and let them enjoy themselves before they have to go back to school. So guys, that's the pre today. Kiss kiss. Love you. Your mouth's sticking out because you got lip gloss on it.
Why are we sticking out the tongue?
No, he got lip gloss because mommy's lip gloss went on his mouth. Now it's all shiny. What? Go and show your brother how shiny it is. Go and show him. Hey guys, speaking of the movies, listen, I've been supposed to go and watch like Barbie or the Barbie premiere, and it just seemed like it just can't get out of the group. Like, you know those link ups that just can't make it out of the group chat? There's one such movie date that did not make it out of the group chat, and I'm kind of sad because a girl was like already finding pink things. I literally made myself a little, you know, Barbie inspired outfit or top. I was gonna pair it with some jeans. I'm gonna drop the video and you guys can check it out and tell me how I did, rate my little top, and let me know if I would have like slayed the Barbie premiere because it was a vibe.
Watch me make a Barbie inspired. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
So yeah, journey with us and come and watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's like giving childhood vibes, very nostalgic. So I'm kind of excited to see how it goes. So guys, let's go.
Yo, copyright.
Oh, so now you care about copyright. Tell me. Oh, go on. Not to the right one, sir. I run about this, how can I run about this?
You gotta run about it. You never go to the right, you just stay in the left lane. So I said that him will go this, so I'm going to take it to the, take the turn early. I'd have been facing him.
Okay. So change of plans, guys. Change of plans. We are in Portmore and we're going to Buzzers. The boy them knock right out. And them will bring out, you know, to come enjoy themselves, you know. So we wouldn't have made it to the movie in time, so we decided to take them to Buzzers to have a little fun, and then we're going to watch the movie at home, hopefully. So that's the pre. That's the pre. And then we're going to get food. We're going to get food. Not over here though. These are the reviews of the people I'm going to restaurant. Anyways, off to Buzzers we go.
Okay.
Stand right here. Come here. We're here. Hey, the young man, Evan.
Yeah. Good job. Now
Look
you're
like
eat
it's gonna
30
rain.
pounds.
What I'm bringing?
30 pounds.
30 pounds?
30.
Wait, it's 30 pounds. Give me a hand. What do you mean? What do you mean? Turn it up.
I did a picture of the robot. On me? I didn't got the robot.
Yeah, let's go. Bye. Turn around, turn. see, Gabby. Who are they? Gabby, let's see. How tall are you? 5. Gabby, let's see.
Hold on, I'm going to the boss.
15 minutes. Have fun. Okay. Sorry. Jump in, brother. No, sir. Well, girl, everyone.
push it up. When I go in it, man, the car and female I use, I use $10 only.
Thank you, it's $10.
Fine.
Go down, go back. Got a little fishy. Goldfish. What kind of fish is this, Jamir? What kind of fish is this one?
I don't know.
What kind of fish is this one?
Oh, that is a sweet fish.
A sweet fish?
When we come to these fish, look at these fish then.
Wow, what kind of fish is that one? You don't know?
I want to call them
Oh. Hi, good night. Okay, I'd like to try it, please. I'll take the small pizza, cheese pizza. And it's cheesy sticks, right? 4 cheesy sticks?
You want that live off?
Yeah. So I want the small pizza. With the 4 sticks and the pepsi. Just cheese, or pepperoni. Yeah. Shanice. My box. You see that? Alright, thank you. This is the my box.
Whoa, that is.
You like it?
Yeah, why you haven't want a pizza?
It's for you guys. Sit back so I can give it to you. So it come with a small pizza and some cheesy sticks, and they have the sauce for you, Jabby, that you like. Can you see me? I want to stay over there. Chances are I'm going to drop down. Just let me move. I don't know what I'm going for them. I'm going there, everybody just sit down and look. Alright, wow.
Okay.
Very good. You want to start? Alright, so I'm going to put it down beside you, sit back. And you guys can have it when you're ready. Okay?
Alright.
And the juice is here as well. Never again. KFC and pizza on a Saturday. It's Saturday, right?
What about something?
May I lose track of the days.
Some juice?
Sure, my love. But this actually tastes good. It's a bit crispy. Never had crispy pizza. Here's the juice with it. Okay, cheesy and nice. What did KFC receipt, Jesse?
Yeah.
KFC receipt. Let's see what can I get on food tonight. Let me just go ahead. Eat this and then I try back KFC. I'm starving. Soon come. Yeah, Mary, you want to pause that?
Welcome to your video channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yay! So what are you going to do today? You're going to do an unboxing. Yeah. Do you know what an unboxing is?
Yeah, over there.
That's it? So what are you going to do? You're going to pull out these packages? Alright, so I'm going to show you the packages that you guys got. These are for you. Show everybody. Do you know what's inside? You want me to hold it up for you?
Yeah.
Hold it up over here.
And a carrot too.
Hold it, Karen. Do you know what is inside of these packages? A shirt? What's your guess, Jamie? What do you think is inside?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you think is in there? A car, some toys. What do you think is in there?
A toy.
Toys? What do you think, Jamie?
Toy?
Okay, let's see. You gotta open it up, so I'm gonna cut it open for you. Let's take this one off.
Oh, wow.
Inside, what do you see?
Back.
It's a backpack.
New backpack. I win.
Wow, Jamir, of all the things you got for garbage. Javi, look at it. Oh my god, look at it, Javi. Take that one out. What do you think? That one is for you, and this one is for Jamir. You want to pop a balloon, you don't care what backpack. There you go. Awesome. Yeah. Alright, Javi, pop it later. Take up your backpack. Take up your backpack. You don't want to look in it and see how it looks? You want me to open it for you?
No, I want to open the next one.
Oh my god. You want to even try it on? So this is Jamir's backpack. He's in love with dinosaurs, so we had to get him a dino backpack. And this is Javi's. He is now obsessed with. What are you obsessed with? Spider-Man or Batman?
Oh, Batman.
You got Spider-Man last year. Wait, why is this so hard to come out? with it, and possibly a pencil case too. Do you like it?
Yes.
Alright,
Open the other box.
say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Dad.
Daddy bought them for you. Okay. Let's see what we got in the other box. What do you guys think this one is? Toys. You think we're about it?
I didn't know to.
I don't care about toys. Okay, let's look in this one.
Socks.
Underwear. Yes, mainly like
And what
these
is
briefs. These 10-pack soft briefs. So one for you, one for your brother. I honestly don't know what is in this backpack, in this box.
I just popped another balloon.
So Jamie, you got briefs. How you feel about that? Next we have
Water bottle.
water bottles for each of you for school. Let me move the scissors.
Oh,
Here, Jamie, here's your water bottle. How do you like it?
I
You like the color?
and put water in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some water in it for you. Don't worry. Yeah,
Don't put
Jamie,
it in it.
I'm gonna put it in the lid for you. But I think these are gonna get mixed up, so we're gonna have to find a way to like differentiate them. So Javi can have his and Jamie can have his. Next we got this Fruits of the Loom Eco Pack. We got 2 of these, one for each boy. And these are just some lightweight marinas. They wear them under their shirts for school. Toys. So this is what it looks like. So these are marinas, yeah. What happened? You're disappointed? What did you want? What did you think when this was? Toys? You love toys too much. Jamie, your trophy bag on the ground over here, so.
Give me out the chicken there.
Nothing else is in there. I don't think anything else is in there.
How about we took out the bottom?
So, Jamie, do you like your stuff? Jamie, you love your stuff too?
Yeah.
You disappointed, Jamie? You thought you got toys? Alright, don't worry. I'm going to take you toy shopping and we're going to buy some toys.
Sonic toys.
Sonic toys? What kind of toys you want, Jamie?
The hard toy. Watch it red.
A T-Rex toys? T-Rex toy? Alright, no problem. Okay, tell them bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, let's pack up this stuff.
You didn't pack these for me?
Sure, no problem. Bye.